Aside from that, isa lang sir yun. Aside from that, sir, ma'am, ang mga tigers din po is multiply. Because every 3.5 years, pinatatawa na ang isang babaeng tiger. So, ibig sabihin, tatlong beses naman ang isang babaeng tiger ang
Gusto mo yun ang nagpapagulong-gulong.
That's why po whether you believe it or not, hindi po kumain.
Parang nag-aaway sila.
Can copulate or can make love or can make sex with each other, especially for in wild, 10 to 20 times a day in just 8 to 10 seconds.
Tatantsahan na yung dalawa, oh.
Oo nga. Yan o. Yan o.
Uy, dito na fight! Dito na fight!
Sumusunod. Oo nga.
Once again, for our last tiger over here, for his name is John, a male tiger, only 4 years old.
Si Jake ang nagsasabi.
After this magic,
Doon tayo. Please. Wait, man.
Kabutin.
Tama na, wala na kung bababa ng ostrich na po ating pumuntahan. If you don't want to be eaten by one of the ostrich, wala pong bababa. Follow the train. Once again, ma'am, sir, ulitin ko na po, all of our tigers here in the Mixed Party, more than 36 herds of them are already crossbreed po between Bengal and Siberian tigers. Bengal, of course, the second biggest tiger on earth, can be found in India, while Siberian, for is the